The Chief Fire Officer, Dr. Albert Brown Gaisie, says there is growing concern over the detrimental health effects to firefighters. Firefighters work in varied and dangerous environments and face unique health hazards that increase their risk for line-of-duty injury and death. So, for the first time, all personnel of the National Fire Service will be screened across the country. Over 500 personnel will benefit from the pilot project.
When fire breaks out, the first concern of those at the scene is how to get personnel from the Ghana National Fire Service there in good time to save lives and property. The life and health of the firefighter is always the last thing on the mind of everyone. But firefighters suffer a lot in their line of duty, from falling from high-rise buildings to the inhalation of high levels of carbon monoxide, physical and mental stress and other environmental factors. The firefighter's health takes a downward turn for some years on the job. It is no surprise that they opt for voluntary retirement just after 40 years because they are too weak to continue serving effectively. For this reason, the National Fire Service, in collaboration with the Ghana Health Service, is to begin a health screening exercise across the country for its personnel. For the pilot project, over 500 firefighters in Accra and Tema are expected to be screened in the next 5 days.
You have been exposed to all the hazards, and these are occupational hazards. Even if there are floods, chemicals in the water, organisms in the water. So I thought it was a brilliant idea to screen you during your job in order to identify those who have problems and then address them.
The Chief Fire Officer, Dr. Albert Brown Gaisie, encouraged personnel to take advantage of the exercise.
This exercise is not, and I say it's not, meant to bolt anybody out of the service. It's our duty to keep you healthy, to keep you strong, so that you can serve the institution and serve Mother Ghana better.
After this, a similar exercise is expected to be replicated in other 9 regions across the country.